It's a really big job, and one that isn't something you should navigate alone. You should definitely connect with someone in your market who's really informed and has actually done it themselves. Every single market is very different. So knowing an individual and how to connect with that person so that you can get insight on how permitting works, who are the contractors to work with, how particular costs are set up, soft costs, hard costs, which are architects, engineers, attorneys, zoning, knowing how to go through particular zoning and zoning ordinances, bylaws for a particular town or city, all complicated, intricate stuff that just being with someone who's done it before gives it and makes it all the much better. Next is having capital and knowing how to find the best pieces of property or lots, land. Using that capital and then buying the land is one thing, but knowing how to improve on it, doing it on time, on budget, very important pieces. There are different buckets that you all should be considering. Are you going to be doing residential improvements? Are you going to be doing commercial improvements? Are you going to be doing municipal improvements? And are you going to be doing hotels? Are you going to be doing multifamily complexes, buildings, residential single-family homes? Knowing a particular avenue and sticking to that is also important to the success of being a real estate developer. You don't want to be all over the place and have your hands tied in a bunch of different buckets.